Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we completed Phase 1, Part 3, where we finished setting up the Quotations startup menu. In this video, we move to Phase 1, Part 4, and we'll start configuring accounts from the incoming menu. Accounts are shared across the entire system. They are used in incoming, outgoing, quotations, and accounting. The same account can be reused across all modules, which ensures consistency between operational work and financial records. From the left-hand panel, open the incoming menu, then open Accounts. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that accounts are organized by main account and sub-account. These categories are not fixed globally. What you see here depends on the chart of accounts prepared by your accountant or financial manager. Your system may look slightly different, but the structure and behavior remain the same. To add a new inbound agent account, for example, you first select the main account, for example, Agents, and then the sub-account Inbound Agents. After that, click New. Enter the agent name and currency, then click Save. At this stage, always make sure to select the correct currency. Once the account is used in financial transactions, the currency cannot be changed later. Now that we understand how to add a new account, let's start with customer accounts. Customer accounts are used to store and manage all end clients and corporate customers dealing directly with the company. They are used in outgoing reservations, invoices, statements, and accounting transactions. Let's take Youssef Al-Masri as an example. We begin with the Account Information tab. This tab contains the core data of the account. First, the General Information section, which contains the account name and currency. Below that, we have Account Classifications. These fields are mainly used for filtering, reporting, and exporting default values. When this customer is used later in the Outgoing module, these values help reduce data entry time by loading predefined defaults automatically, such as group categories. The Sales Representative field allows tracking all transactions related to this customer under a specific sales representative. This is useful for sales performance monitoring. The default bank details selected here will appear automatically when issuing invoices for this customer. If Stop Account is checked, the system will prevent users from selecting this account in reservations or transactions. On the right-hand side, you can assign an image to the account by clicking on No Image Available and choosing from images already uploaded to the system or from your computer using the Upload button. This is optional and used only for visual reference. Next, we have Use Account As. By default, the account behaves as the category it was created under, in this case, Customer. However, the system is flexible. If this customer also provides services, for example, transportation, you can enable transportation here. Once selected, this account will appear in the transportation suppliers list and will be treated accordingly as both payable and receivable account by the system. You can also define full contact information and address details, along with payment due days, credit limit, and profit percentage. Next is the Passport List tab, which allows storing passport details under the customer account. This information is used for operational reference inside outgoing reservation files. Next is the Description tab, is a free text area. It is used to store internal descriptions related to the customer. And the Bank Details tab stores the customer's banking information for internal reference. The Contacts tab allows adding multiple contact persons linked to the same customer account. Also, tags are used for classification and filtering. Examples include Meet at WTM 2025 and Mice Only, as these tags can be defined from the Startup menu. The Alert tab is used to store important messages. When this customer is selected inside the Outgoing reservation module, the alert message will pop up automatically. This is commonly used for notes, such as VIP status or special handling instructions. Now, let's move to agent accounts. From the left-hand panel, select agents as the main account and inbound agents as the sub-account. As mentioned earlier, your sub-account names may differ, but the process remains the same. Let's take global travel as an example. The Account Information tab here is similar to Customers, with additional classification fields. These include nationality, market, account category, group categories, profit classes, default supplier, and language. These values directly affect quotation behavior, where profit classes will appear in a pop-up window immediately when selecting the agent. Also, default selections, where nationality, language, group categories, and market will automatically change when using the agent in reservations and quotations. The description, bank details, and contacts tabs function the same way as in customer accounts. Tags and alerts are also available here and behave exactly the same way, as alerts will pop up automatically when the agent is selected in reservations. This completes customers and agents in the accounts setup. In the next video, we'll continue with service provider accounts, including hotels, restaurants, transportation, guides, and other suppliers. Thanks for watching, and let's continue.